Fisherman Online Preschool.
In today's video, we are going to learn about the long vowel sounds. So let's start. Okay, what are the 5 vowels we have?
A, E, I, O, U.
Yes, these are called short vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, Okay, let's learn about long vowels. So these are the long vowels we have. When 2 vowels come together, we call them long vowels. So let's look at the first short vowel. What is the sound of this short vowel? Very good. Now what is this?
Long vowel.
Long vowel. What's the sound of this long vowel now? Let me teach you. When 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does the talking. What is the name of the first letter? Name. Yes, I said name, not the sound. So the sound of this long vowel is
A.
A. When 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does
Talking.
very good. So what is the name of this first letter, children?
A.
The sound of this long vowel is A. Now let's look at some examples. AI is the long vowel which makes the sound A. Now let's learn to read this 3-letter word.
Aim.
Aim. Very good. Now let's have a look at one 4-letter word.
Rain.
Rain. Aim. Okay. Now let's move on to the next long vowel. So here we have the next short vowel E. What is this beta?
Short vowel.
Very good. What is the sound of the short vowel?
A.
Very good. Now let's look at the long vowel. What is this?
Long vowel.
When 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does the
Talking.
very good. Now what is the first letter here? E. So the vowel sound is also
E.
yes, very good. Now let's look at one example.
C.
C. And now one 4-letter word.
Heap.
Heap. So what is the phonic sound of this long vowel, children?
E.
E. Here we have one more short vowel E. What is this?
Short vowel.
What is the phonic sound of this short vowel?
A.
Very good. Now let's look at another long vowel with letter E. What is this?
Long vowel.
Long vowel. Very good. When 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does the
Talking.
very good. Now look at the first letter. What is the name of this first letter, children?
E.
That's the sound of this long vowel. Whenever you see E and A together, the sound of this vowel combination is E. Okay. Now let's look at one example. So look here. P. E.
P.
Very good. Now let's look at one 4-letter word example. L. E. K.
Leak.
Leak. So isn't it easy to learn long vowels, children? What is this?
Short vowel.
What is the phonic sound of this short vowel?
E.
Very good. Now let's look at the long vowel with I. What is this?
Long vowel.
Okay, when 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does the
Talking.
very good. What is the first letter name here?
R.
So the sound is also
R.
very good. Let's look at one example with 3 letters.
Tie.
I. Tie.
Lied.
Yes. Lied. What is this?
Short vowel.
What is the phonic sound of this short vowel? Very good. Now let's look at the what is this?
Long vowel.
Long vowel. When 2 vowels go walking, the first letter does the
Talking.
Very good. What is the name of this letter?
O.
Yes, that's the sound of this long vowel. O. Now let's look at one example. T. O.
To.
Now let's look at the four-letter word. P. Om.
Po.
Yes. Okay. Look here. What is this?
Short vowel.
What is the sound of this short vowel?
A.
Very good. Now let's look at the long vowel. When two vowels go walking, the first letter does the
Talking.
which letter you see here first? Letter?
U.
That's the sound of this long vowel U. Let's look at one example. U.
Q.
Yes. Q. Next.
Glue.
Glue. G-L-U. Glue. Okay. Now we have the last vowel sound. What is this short vowel?
O.
Yes. O is the sound of the short vowel. Now look at the long vowel. O-A. When two vowels go walking, the first vowel does the...
Talking.
Which letter you see here first? Letter?
O.
O is the sound of this long vowel. Let's look at one example now.
Or.
Or. Very good.
Board.
B-O-T.
Board.
Isn't it very easy to learn long vowels along with us today, children? Yes?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed learning long vowels with us?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, if you are interested in enrolling to our online preschool classes, we have given the details here on the screen to get in touch with us. Alright, children. So, see you again in the next video. We have many more examples and many more tricks to learn phonics with Risha ma'am. Till then, don't forget to
Like, share.
and subscribe to our channel.